Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a classic comfort food that's perfect for any day of the week. The absolute best homemade tomato soup. Forget the stuff in the can. This recipe is simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. Let's get cooking. Before we dive in, let's go over what you'll need. The secret to this soup is using high-quality ingredients, so don't skimp on the tomatoes. We have olive oil, onion, garlic, canned tomatoes, broth, sugar, cream, and fresh basil. Step 1. Add your olive oil to a large pot over medium heat. Once it's shimmering, toss in your chopped onion. Cook for about 5-7 minutes until soft and translucent. Step 2. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Step 3. Pour in your canned tomatoes with their juices, break them up, then add the broth and sugar. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Step 4. Bring to a gentle boil, then simmer uncovered for 20-25 minutes to let the flavors meld. Step 5. Use an immersion blender to blend until completely smooth. This is my favorite method because it's less messy. Step 6. Stir in the cream until incorporated, then season with salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, the best homemade tomato soup you'll ever taste. The silky texture and bright flavor are unbeatable, perfect with grilled cheese for the ultimate cozy meal. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.